Good morning, Basic Fam. Welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Today is going to be a little different. We're not going to be working on cars, but we're going to go check out our team sponsor. And right now we're waiting for our team founder, and then he'll take us through it, and then he can tell you what our team sponsor is. So for those of you who are new to the channel, this is my baby. This is Logan's baby. Check out all the interior though. Look, he's even got the freaking mirror thingy going on. How long did it take you to do all of this?
Maybe an hour.
Wow.
I was just zoning out.
That's pretty fast though.
I was just zoned out.
Considering how much you wrapped.
It was easy. Just use a hair dryer.
And even the freaking gauges. The dash.
I ran out of stuff.
Vinyl wrapping master, so he's the one that helps us with the stickers, our team stickers. His cousin is the one that gets us the team stickers.
He makes them.
Thank you, Scott. Thank you. And he's gonna change his one up to green, he said. So just stay tuned for that. This guy is fucking buying more vinyl so he can redo his eyelids. Yeah, that's vinyl wrap. That's not a cover. And then this guy influenced me to get some red vinyl wrap.
That was all your choice.
I don't know if I'm gonna go to this extreme, but the interior definitely.
Just do the eyelids.
I just really want to repaint that thing, or actually at least clear coat it.
Good.
Oh man, the wheels are super dirty. Logan's poor truck is black, so it's always dirty. You can't see it on camera, but it's a freaking mess.
It's been storming, so I couldn't clean it for like a week.
And as you can tell, we live in a freaking rainforest, so it's hard to keep our rides clean, you know what I mean? More like a concrete rainforest.
Yeah. Concrete jungle, what it's called.
Concrete jungle! There he is, scraping in. What up, dope? What is that? So for all you new Basic family members, this is the team founder. Look at that! If you want to see how he did that, check out the other videos over here somewhere.
I wonder if Mecca's doing. You ain't
Like,
sleeping.
I woke up and I looked to see Molly's message. She's like, oh, you need 30 minutes late. And oh, fuck, okay, whatever. And then boom, I get your message like, about to leave the house.
Fuck, I knew you were sleeping.
Fuck, bro, I was sleeping at work.
At work?
Boat job. Bro, I was fucking tired.
Damn, dude. You better sleep tonight. Oh, you get work tonight?
Work tonight.
Damn it, dude.
I work all day tomorrow.
So, who's our team sponsor? Official team sponsor?
Dezam Detailing. Go to them. In Kaneohe, we'll leave info for them. But they're our official detailer for the team. And they do amazing work.
And if you don't believe us, we're gonna go show you right now.
Niggas knowing that I drop shit, get pop quick, cause the niggas that you rock with, like Jay said, bitch, I gotta keep a chopstick. Big stick, I bounce out with that mop stick. I'ma ride this little bitch till that tank empty. I'ma still blow that bitch till
Check out the brake lights. Yes, those are brake lights. Just pulled in. Check out that scenery. Logan's gonna go first.
Classics.
Alrighty, we all done here. Thank you Tint By Koa and Dezam Detailing for your time. Follow Miss Kylie right here on the Instagrams. And the detailing shop right here on the Instagrams. Small kind started raining on us, but still looks good. How you feel about your truck, Logan?
Looks sexy. I can see myself and everything in it. Nice mirror.
So if you guys need quality tinting done, check these out. Instagram, Facebook, phone number, all of that right there. Thank you, brother Koa.
Yeah, my man.
Thanks for your time in the space.
Bro.
Good to meet you. See you soon, maybe.
Yeah, bro, definitely.
All right, brother. You want to know what she said about your car? She's like, wow, finally I can do a car that's not that low. Logan's being a little biatch and crying about how hot it is.
No, I said I'm hungry.
So
Differences.
we're gonna go check out a different location. We're gonna go check out a gas station.
You driving?
No, we're gonna walk it.
You gonna carry me?
Nope.
I'll jump on your back. You can piggyback ride.
Let's go show them the driveway we have to come through to get all the way there. You can't see, but this is a huge dip. Potholes. Pothole galore. It's pothole galore out here.
There's bottle. That's where bottles are born.
You gotta see the pothole with the brake rotors inside.
The brake rotors are inside this pothole.
Yeah.
Oh, I see that. This hole is so deep, they put brake rotors so you can drive over that instead of the hole. Look at these things, man. Try put your foot inside so we can see how deep it is. Oh, I almost fell in one. The roads in Hawaii are always like this. It's endless cars. Oh, Fox Buddy. Sounds better than my truck. You know, being car dudes run a $1 meal budget, right?
Hell yeah.
So this is $2.
This was $6.
What? Big ass bag of chips. Oh, and some juice. That's why the juice here is like $3 itself.
Yeah.
Logan's biting my swag.
What? That's the one, the better one.
Come on, man. Check out these parking stalls, though. You know, Micah's ass wouldn't be able to fit there. So I know it took almost a whole friggin' month, but sent out the giveaway shirt the other
really?
day. Yeah.
Took you long enough.
Right? But congrats to the winner.
Congrats to him for winning the shirt.
I don't know, maybe we'll try it again and we'll be more on time, but
Yeah, no, definitely. We'll do more giveaways later as we hit more benchmark achievements, so to say.
you know us Hawaiians, we always late. We run in on Hawaiian time, but we're gonna send it anyways.
Alright, thanks for watching. You know, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share our videos. We're gonna have the X-Runner meet and greet coming up soon. And then shout out to Dezam Detailing, Team Basics official detailer. They do one hell of a job. And we'll leave some contact information underneath so you can get some detail on your car.
Tell them Team Basic sent you.
Yep. Team Basics sent you. Peace.
Alright, bro.
Oh my god,
It's a
Ronnie.
vibe.